Hi, I'm Chip. Welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to talk about the RYOBI 18-volt 7¼ sliding compound miter saw. This is an action-packed tool that is so compact that it's versatile in almost any environment. Now it runs off the OnePlus 18-volt platform that we know and love, but it's so lightweight that you can take this saw virtually anywhere. It has some really cool features, including these two handles. These aren't just for looks. This saw is lightweight enough to move around easily, even with one hand. Now, you might think a 7¼ miter saw, what can that really do? And I'm telling you, because of the sliding nature of the saw, we can cut up to a 2x10. That is a really big piece of wood that's leveraged with anything from deck framing, stair framing, step treads, base molding, and beyond. The beauty though is we need no extension cords. We're not cluttering up the job site. We can take this anywhere with no power except our 18-volt batteries, which is awesome. Some other great features, we of course have the dust collection bag. You can use that or connect a shop vac directly to it if you're in an environment where you want to minimize dust. We also have our material hold downs. This here allows the saw to actually translate back and forth. That's what gives us our extra range. Again, you don't need more tool than you actually need to get the job done. Oftentimes, that's a tip in itself. Now, when you lock down the slide, we can also release the pivot. This shows our up and down motion as well as it reveals the ability to bevel. So this allows us to make compounds as well as miters here in the front. Now you can hear there's detents that allow us to get our exact dial locked in to make sure that all of our miters and cuts are the same every single time. Now on one 9-amp-hour 18-volt battery, this saw will provide up to 800 cuts. That's a lot of cuts. And if for some reason one day requires more than that, simply change your battery out for unlimited use. Hope you guys have learned a little bit about the 7¼ sliding compound miter saw from RYOBI. We'll see you next time.